Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 2nd of June to the 6th of June. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold, and it is a top-down analysis from monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame is where I provide the key entry levels for the coming week. So make sure that you watch this video until the 4-hour time frame. So I'll be pointing out the key levels of support and resistance, the trend lines. Also I'll be reading the candles and the candlestick patterns, and also I'll be counting the waves now, as you see in the chart here. So under confluence of all these factors, I am able to provide the probable direction on gold for the coming week. So I'm in a monthly time frame, and actually we expect now on Monday we'll be having now the first print of the June candle. So currently we have closed with the May candle, and we see now the closing is just in a form of an indecision that shows a fight between buyers and sellers. So actually when we have this kind of formation, the next candle can be anything, maybe a push to the upside or a push to the downside, because here there is balance of power between buyers and sellers. So we cannot straightforward conclude on what will be the formation of the next candle, but based on other factors here, we can see prices trading at this key level of resistance. So now we may expect now price can respect this level. So now we'll see on lower time frames now what exactly expected to happen at this level, and also we expect now for the formation of the fourth wave. So and these factors, we may expect now the next print of the monthly candlesticks can be a bearish candle, but this is just an overall projection. So quickly in weekly time frame, what's happening, let us see. Okay, so weekly time frame is clear, the wave counts are completed right at this level. So basically straightforward, we are looking for the possible fourth wave to this level down here. So actually going more specific, we see price has been moving in a sideways move now for several weeks. Price has been moving up and down, but actually looking on the last 3 candlesticks, now we may expect a possibility of price pushing to the upside, because we see this one was a very stronger bullish candle. The next one has failed to move below this one, so it is just like a 50% retracement. So the next one may be expected to move above this region. But actually looking on the overall picture, you can realize that we have this formation that's very crucial, an indicator of a possible push to the downside. Price has not yet violated this, so in the overall direction we can expect the price may move to the upside without breaking this historical high around the region of 34.85 or 86. Yes, so that is the overall concept, and lower time frames are going to tell us a lot about the possible market move in the coming week. So straightforward, let me see what is happening in daily time frame. Now we can see drawings, there are a lot of lines here, and also the wave counts is clear, the ABC to the downside, and this was explained in the previous analysis. Okay, so the basic concept here is we have this clear move that is expected to be a 5-wave move to the upside, and also this is expected to be an ABC to the downside. So actually this is very clear. Even when we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see now exactly how things goes here, and also we have this upper channel here. So the basic concept here is just price may try to break above the upper channel, because if you look closely below here, there's a level whereby it is now around a week price has been trading above. It is around 8 days price has been trading above this level. So now the basic concept is that this level is a stable support. So by the time we see prices is moving and closing below this line, we may expect a powerful push to the downside. But currently we see price is still playing above, so we may expect continuation of price to the upside. But the basic concept is price is not going to break above this historical high, so it can move to the upside but without breaking the historical high. When this happens, that will be a different story. Okay, so looking on the last two candlesticks in daily time frame, they suggest a possible push to the upside. So basically we can expect that push to the upside. And maybe let's go to the final time frame now, the 4-hour time frame. Maybe we can see exactly what will be the trading opportunities. Yes, we see a 5-wave push to the upside, then we see this move to the downside. Yes, okay, so now looking closely, this is expected to be a 5-wave move down. So the current push to the upside, it's expected to be a correction of this move. So if that's the concept, we will be expecting this to be just price move that will go not beyond 33.64. This rise here is expected not to go above 33.64. So this will provide us with a clear formation, and a formation that is within the rules and guidelines. So that is the overall picture. And also looking closely here, we see price was respecting this trend line here. So by the time price is trading above this trend line, so we may expect for the possible push to the upside, and we have marked this level that will provide us with the possible first target for this push to the upside. Okay, so that is an overall concept. So how are you going to trade next week? So yes, next week, so we'll be watching for possible short-term buys. Now actually we'll be focusing on first buys with a target of 33.45, and after this, now you'll just wait to see if price will manage to move above this level, above 33.66. If this happens, we'll be taking other buys up to the levels of around 34.35. So that is just a straightforward buy opportunity. But what is most likely to happen is price is going to move up to this level, the first target, then price will push to the downside. So we'll be watching for other buy opportunities again when the price is moving at 32.31. So yeah, that is most likely to happen on gold in the coming week, and in most cases we'll be considering buying gold. So that's the overall picture. Do your own analysis and watch analysis from other traders so that you'll have confidence on the probable direction in the coming week. Like this video. If you have any comment, write in the comment section so that we can now discuss now what are your opinions regarding the next week analysis. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.